How to install zip files on Android phone. If you have a certain zip file that you downloaded from somewhere, there's a certain file within that. So you don't install a zip file, you extract a zip file, and if that zip file contains an APK file, then you install that APK file instead. So for this, you simply open up your Play Store and download this app called ZArchiver, which is a free application. This will help you manage your zip files very easily. So nowadays, even without ZArchiver, most of the file manager app has the option to extract it, because now companies have decided it's a necessary feature. Otherwise, you can open ZArchiver and then open it up and then just navigate to the folder where you have the zip file. So here you can see I have got a certain zip file where I can just tap on it. I can tap on extract here or extract to. So once I've extracted the file, I'll be able to see it in a folder like this. And if I have a certain APK file within that folder, then of course I'll be able to install that by just tapping on it. But otherwise, zip files are something to be extracted and not something to be installed. So I hope this video made it clear for you. If it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.